Pi users, have you been stuck on this KYC section whereby you want to verify your Pi profile and you're asked to upload your KYC and you are stuck in this image right here? Now today I'll be showing you reasons why your KYC isn't verified, why your account isn't verified, and ways to fix it. First and first, the reason why your account isn't accepted or approved is because the name at which you used to open or register that Pi network isn't the same with the document, with the ID card you submitted. Now, if you have submitted your ID card and it is showing this on your screen and you want to cancel this one so that you re-upload or change your correct name, all you need to do is to click on my bio. You'll see two links. The first one is named KYC1. The second one is named KYC2. Now you fill in this form. What this form means is that you're informing the Pi network support team that you have an error with your KYC. So they will cancel the former one so that you'll be able to upload the new one. Now, before you upload your document, kindly check on the name you used to register it. You'll see the name there. You'll see an option that will enable you to edit it before you upload your ID card, whether you use this or this plastic ID card. Now, mind you, there is a way at which you could get your plastic ID card yourself instead of using this, because this would take long before it gets verified. I used this one and it's lasted not more than 3 hours and my account was verified because I used premium plastic ID card. Now, also, I'll be guiding you on how to get this instead of using this. Now, let's get back to the name. Now, first of all, you need to change your name, and to do this, kindly click on the three icon, then click on profile, then you'll see your name, you put on edit and put the correct one. Then you proceed to upload your plastic ID card. Now, if your plastic ID card matches with the name on your profile, it would get verified within 2 hours. If you're using this, even less than 2 hours, they will verify you. Now, in order for you to know how to get this plastic ID card, kindly comment on the comment section NIN. And I'll send you the link at which you download the app, because the federal government opened an app that you could use to get the soft copy of this by yourself. All you need to do is to insert your NIN number and an OTP will be sent to you, and you'll get this soft copy. It costs 1,600. But should in case, because most people are getting error, should in case you're unable to receive OTP due to the fact that you've lost the SIM card you used to register it, you can contact me. I'll help you to get it directly because I have direct access, although it's not free. So I'll help you to do that. And also, if you want to have those links that you feel to inform Pi support team that you've submitted but you want to cancel so that you submit this one, kindly click on the comment section and comment KYC, and I'll send the link to you personally. It is 2 links. Fill the form and they'll cancel it so that you re-upload the correct one. So I taught you 2 things here: how to get your plastic ID card and how to fix your KYC. So if you like this video and find this video very helpful, kindly click on the like button, leave a comment, and repost this video so that more people would get this info. Kindly repost this video. Once you don't repost, I'm most likely not going to respond to you. And give this account a follow. You're welcome.